By the end of this video, you would know everything there is to know about how to use CoinMarketCap, and most of all, how to find those crypto gems and best altcoins to buy to get ready for the next bull market, and most of all, make some money. Make sure to watch it till the end. Alright, so this is CoinMarketCap. Being equipped with the knowledge on how to read and how to navigate CoinMarketCap would give you such an advantage in this cryptocurrency world that you must have. So this is how it starts. It shows you cryptocurrencies ranking by their market cap. And market cap is here. As you can see now, Bitcoin market cap is around 432 billion. And Ethereum is around 190 billion, Tether, which is stablecoin USDT, 71 billion, BNB Binance Coin, 45 billion, and it keeps going. The higher the market cap, the higher the ranking of a cryptocurrency coin. For us, now we can start step by step. There is one part which is the recently added. So this one you don't need it really, because most of these projects that are recently added, like I would say 90% of them are scams, and you don't want to look on them, you don't want to touch them. But we could use them as an example later on of what is a bad example and what is a good example of a good project to invest in or not. If you've ever been scrolling on Twitter or on social media and you wonder why all of a sudden some crypto coin is trending and you don't know why, you've got the information late and everyone else got it earlier. So here is where everyone gets the information first. And this one is the trending section in the CoinMarketCap. So this one would be like your daily go-to place where you go and check what's trending. So we go to the trending, we click on more. Now we have all the trending cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. So on the trending section here, you'll find all the trending coins or all the coins that have been trending recently. Usually this is a good sign. If a coin is on the trending section, that means that there is demand on this coin. People are looking for this coin, and I'm going to show you now how to find those crypto gems in the trending sections and what you look for before buying them. The first one is GMT. Has been trending for about a month now. So basically here on the upper row we get the website, we get also the community. We can check Twitter, Reddit, everything, read everything. This is basically where you do your deep research about everything. But so far CoinMarketCap can give you most of the information you need, because I'm gonna show you here what you need to look for in each cryptocurrency project. Basically we start with the market cap. Market cap is everything. The price is not important. The market cap is what tells us where this coin stands. Either it is overvalued or undervalued. So this market cap, step in GMT, is around $200 million. As we are in a bear market, $200 million, it is somewhat of in the medium range, right? So it is not too low and it's not too high, and it's somewhat in the medium range. The second most important one is this row here, where we can see the circulating supply, max supply and total supply. So what those things mean and why we need to know them. So now we can see that the circulating supply is around 600 million GMT coins are out there for people to buy or sell. Now the max supply is how many GMT coins are going to ever exist. The max supply is 6 billion coins and the total supply is 6 billion. Now both of them are the same. Some projects don't have a max supply, they can just keep printing. There is no max supply basically, and this would drop the price lower. So we always want to look for coins with a capped supply. 6 billion is still on the medium range, which is not bad, and some coins like Shiba Inu or Dogecoin have something in the trillions. Basically those I try to avoid. Next thing we want to know is what is in fact this project, right? What they are doing. Browser is a Web3 lifestyle app with gamify elements on the Solana blockchain. It combines aspects of play to earn game with a fitness app to create a new category coined move to earn. So basically this is something like a fitness app where you earn the GMT tokens, you get rewarded for your physical activity. Next thing we want to look for is the founders. If the founders are doxed, we know who are the founders or there are their names, it's usually a good sign. So here we have the names and who are the founders. Now that we got convinced that this project is somewhat legit, we have a capped supply of 6 billion tokens out that would ever be out there. The only problem I see here is the market cap, which is around 200 million. Most of this project would never go above $1 billion or something like that. At $1 billion, we're at a 5x away from $1 billion, and that would be somewhat around the range where this coin could top. That's why we never look at the price. We don't care if the price is $10, $20 per coin. The market cap is the most important. This gives us a realistic expectation of what's gonna happen, which means you put $1,000, you get a return of $5,000, and you could risk losing all this $1,000. Now the risk to reward is not in our favor. If it was around 20 million, now we're playing for a 50x return, which is much better. So let's see this live peer
Now this coin I haven't seen before, and now it's trending, and let's see why this coin is trending. First of all, the market cap is around 166 million. The circulating supply is about 27 million. Total supply is 27 million, meaning that all of the coins out there are circulating. Anyone could go scoop them up, buy them. But the problem is that the max supply is not there. This coin can print more and more and more, and this could go lower and lower and lower. Right off the bat, this is a red flag when we don't see max supply, but does not mean we can fully discard this coin, because some big projects also don't have a max supply mentioned, or they don't have a cap to their max supply. And one of them is Ethereum, that doesn't have a max supply and still made it to the top. But for a coin that we don't know nothing about and we don't have a max supply, that's not a good thing. The markets, so here markets, we can see where we can buy this coin. So basically here you can see that you can buy it on Binance. So whenever a coin is listed on Binance, usually this is a good sign, because Binance, they're serious and they make sure that the project is legit. Here, just by looking at where you can buy it, and you can see that Binance, Coinbase, and KuCoin, Kraken, those big major exchanges already have this coin in them. So this is a positive for this coin. We can read more about it. So LivePeer is the first live video streaming network protocol that is fully decentralized. The platform aims to become a viable blockchain-based, economically efficient alternative to centralized broadcasting solutions. So basically they're trying to be the YouTube of the blockchain. Here we got the founders. Seems legit so far. So if the founders have their name here, that means they don't want to scam us. And we know that this coin is already listed in major exchanges. So let's see what this coin is about. Let's see their website and everything. Now if we go back here and we see their website, so this is their website. So after looking at their website, it seems like you need to install their app and you need to buy some Ethereum, and then you can start mining. So basically there is no videos, there is no people sharing any videos, there is nothing like YouTube. It just seems like you're mining stuff. Basically you're mining this coin, and you need to buy Ethereum to do so. Usually these kind of coins have a hard time to get adoption or basically get picked up by their narrative. There are other coins who do this kind of stuff, who are live streaming videos, or already are active, who already have people uploading videos and are already being used. I wouldn't put LivePeer on the list of coins I would like to invest in. Now if it's trending, cool, I'll trade it, but I would not buy in whole or anything like that. Trending, you could spend a whole day looking in the trending section. That's how the research goes. You just, as I shown you here. Here you would see something interesting. Now here you would see that there are categories: DeFi category, NFTs, Metaverse, Polkadot. So basically those Polkadot, BNB, Solana, those are blockchains. So you can see the coins that are built on this blockchain. So the most interesting for us is the DeFi, NFT, and Metaverse. So we all know that the NFTs and the Metaverse and also the DeFi, those are narratives that are always around when the bull market is in, and this, we could use them to actually find those crypto gems or this cryptocurrency project that could be interesting to us. So Metaverse, let's say, we can go to the Metaverse, and as we've seen in the one before, is they are ranked by their market cap. So Ape token or Ape coin is ranked 35 among all the cryptocurrencies out there. Is ranked 35 because the market cap is around $1.7 billion. Now this could give some returns, but the market cap is high. Now here is where things get interesting. Now if you click on market cap and you click again, now you'll get presented with the lowest market cap first, and this is how you find those gems. Now this one has a $2 million market cap. This is really low, so usually those are a hit or a miss. I don't advise doing that. You need to know that anyone could list a project on CoinMarketCap, which is nothing hard. In fact, I'm gonna make a video how to create a cryptocurrency coin. I'm gonna show you all how it's done. It's super easy. Polychain Monsters doesn't sound like a professional name for a project. Synverse, I like the name Synverse. Sounds interesting. 2 million. We can check now. Synverse. So Sin City Metaverse has rebranded to Synverse. So they used to be something else. This market cap is 2 million. We do not have a max supply right off the bat. This is a bad news. Although they thought enough, well, they have $1 billion total supply, but the max supply, that means that they can mint infinite amount of these tokens, which is really bad. Oh, this thing has been around for a while. From 2021, you can see it's already been rocked. Without even checking, you can see that it's already been rocked. So this thing has been flat from basically May 2022. This thing has been flat. Nobody's interested in this thing anymore. Now this one is called Whoa Narrow. That's not a name you want to have on a game that you want it to be successful. Now decentralized game, ICE, decentralized games. That sounds like some broad niche. Now Tower, okay, 2 million, around $3 million. Let's see, Tower, what is that? So around $3 million market cap. It has a max supply, which is interesting. 10 billion as a max supply. And let's see all time how this chart looks like. So again, super flat. This is not good. It's not good to see something like this, super flat line like that, right? So this usually means that project stopped, literally project stopped. Now we can keep going. This one is on KuCoin. Now this one is on KuCoin, which is interesting. Now I'm gonna make a separate video, but this one will come up really later because we want to make sure we have a bull market. Then KuCoin is the place where to find those gems. Like KuCoin is pretty interesting, but we do not get on this project unless I see life coming back to it. At least another $2-3 million added to the market cap. I would rather buy something at $10 million market cap, but I know it survived the bear market. Looking for these low market cap coins is perfect in the bull market. Now we keep looking. Now Zookeeper, we have 300 million circulating supply, a max supply of 470 million, and a total supply of 300. So that's interesting. That is, the circulating supply is higher than the total supply. We want to check markets. Keep in mind, like markets, we want to know if this thing is listed in any major exchange, which is not. Now this one is a coin that we do want to stay away from. Now if you watch my previous video here, you can see that I've mentioned one coin that is super interesting, which is called Apex Protocol. I want to show you what a good example of a good project is. So this one here is Apex Protocol. Now this one has a $7 million market cap. If we go to around all and see the charts, you can see that the chart is live. That means that there is no flat line like the ones we've seen before. The chart is live, people are trading it, and most importantly, max supply, total supply is 1 billion. There will never be more than 1 billion. So basically this one is a project that is decentralized exchange made by Bybit, and if we can look at markets where you can buy it, so basically you can see that you can buy it on Bybit. There is no swaps. Nobody can just make this coin. It is made by Bybit if you read the description, and it is tradable on Bybit. It's very hard to just launch a coin and get straight up listed on a major exchange. That's the point. And it has a really low market cap. That's a good example of how a coin should look like. Now we can keep going. Now we can just check them by their name. So this Trias here, Trias has been trending for a while now. We can check this one here, Trias token, about almost $4 million market cap. Doesn't have a max supply, which is again a bad sign, but 10 million total supply. Let's see markets. Okay, this one is on KuCoin. Yeah, KuCoin, Trias. This one has been trending for a while, but just to show you an example. So if we can see the charts, unlike other ones, you can see that this one that was flatlined for a while, but then it picked up again, right? So you can see the green here clearly. This coin picked up again, meaning that there is still life inside it, that people are still using it. This coin is being used. It's not like a flat line like the other one. We can quickly check the NFTs and then end this video here. NFTs, we can see that ApeCoin is also in the NFTs, Internet Computer. This one has been around for a while, and we want to check on the low market caps. So low market caps, already NFTs looking good because we do not have too many low market caps at 2 million, 1 million. So Aurori, that sounds like a good name. Either sounds good or sounds bad just from the name. So total supply 100 million, max supply only, there will only be there 100 million coins. That's not bad. $12 million market cap. Okay, flatlined. That is not a good thing. You can see what's going on here. Okay, on KuCoin, I like coins that are on KuCoin because I use that also. So we can keep this one on our watch list. Aurori is now on your watch list. Thank you. Aurori is a tactical turn-based NFT creature battle GRPG built on the Solana blockchain. Players are invited to explore a rich and diverse universe where they will travel across the world of antique and Tokane as they complain. I don't know what the hell they're saying, but this means that this is a play to earn game or a metaverse game also that has NFTs in it. So usually this play to earn, you can see most of the play to earn games or projects are flatlined like that because nobody is playing these games. This is usually because the metaverse, I'm gonna make a different video about the metaverse, and the metaverse usually is just a narrative so far. There is no solid games besides Sandbox, which is the most solid project so far in the metaverse. So we can check their websites. Play now, you see, that's what I want to see. There was one project that they asked us to download their game and play now, play tactics. Let's see. So you gotta log in. So basically it's possible to play in this one. This is not bad. Show us a video about who you are. What is this game? Event leaderboard. Okay. So there is a leaderboard, people are playing. It's not bad. So this one would be on my watch list for sure. In this play to earn, I always want to see if there are people playing, and it seems like people are playing this game. Alright, interesting. Now this one gonna be on my watch list. So when a coin is on your watch list, you can always go back to your watch list here. On top, click on watch list, go back and restudy them again, right? See what they're up to. You can always come every day and check in this 24-hour percentage. You will see if there is some movement in them. So you can see that S-Fund recently has pumped, previous 24 hours pumped 7%. So anyone who got into S-Fund after watching my previous video here, where you are now, or where all are now, are about 7% in profits. Sidus is also one of the projects I want to look into.
If you're curious to know what altcoins I'm personally invested in that I think would make 100x or 1000x by the next bull market, watch this video here. Cheers.